As you can see from the schematic hologram, all Aperture brand robots can be repaired by anyone with even a rudimentary understanding of advanced electromechanical engineering. To begin repairing this unit, attach your multi-tool to its faceplate. Good. Step 2. Locate half-inch bore number 35 pitch sprocket or amp flow motor D and disengage it from the appropriate linear actuator unless its electrostatic ion reactor is uncoupled from anodized multi-axis circle bracket 733E and only if oxidization valves A, C, F, and H1, but not H3, are asymmetric and turbopump exhaust manifold K is filled. Please take your time, up to 30 seconds, at which point the thermoreactor currently uncoupled from its heat exchange unit will detonate. Alert klaxon deployed. Again, take your time. 15 seconds. 15-second klaxon deployed. Increased heart rate detected. Ocean sounds relaxation klaxon deployed. Good. All responsibilities have been removed from your list of responsibilities. Core meltdown imminent. Supervisor has been alerted.
I don't believe it. What kind of robot can't handle the simplest? Oh, it's you. Congratulations on your quota-filling promotion, by the way. You've opened all our eyes to what humans can achieve when you put your tiny little minds to it.
Repair station recycling initiated. For your own safety, please vacate this station immediately.
Don't listen to him, you'll be fine. Also, let's be honest. Your first day's been a bit of a disaster. It's probably not the worst thing if you died.
Repair station recycling in progress.
I want you to know at first I was against this human diversity outreach program. But now, watching you flail around like a sweaty pile of ham, I see I was wrong. It's hilarious. Honestly, I think you're overqualified for robot repair. I've got a better assignment for you.
Repair station recycling complete. Thank you for your participation.
That's a recording. He has to say that. Goodbye.